Hi, welcome to .NET Insights. I'm David Ramel, and here's what's been happening at my site, Visual Studio Magazine, from the past week. Last time we reported on the developer pushback to Copilot's coming new usage-based billing system. In short, developers weren't happy. Now Microsoft has taken a step to soothe things, as reported in the article, VS Code curbs token. Use ahead of Copilot's controversial usage-based billing switch. VS Code is getting more deliberate about how it spends tokens, which is a quiet but major shift. The editor is now incentivized to be cost-aware, not just helpful. For teams, that means AI assistants may feel more optimized and more constrained, right as billing gets tied to consumption. Continuing on the VS Code theme, we have noticed Claude AI becoming more of a first-class citizen in Microsoft dev tooling. And that's further borne out in our article. Special Embrace VS Code adapts to Claude Code's ecosystem. VS Code is bending toward Claude Code's conventions. And that's the real story. The platform is becoming a neutral host for competing AI stacks, where workflow integration and developer ergonomics matter as much as raw model quality. We've also often reported on how AI features and functionality appears in VS Code first before making its way into the Visual Studio IDE. The latest example is explained in our article. VS 2026 joins VS Code with integrated Cloud Agent. Assign a task, close the IDE, get a PR. This is the agent leap. Delegate work to a cloud runner, walk away, and come back to a pull request. It reframes IDEs from where you type to where you dispatch, review, and govern. More on the IDE. Visual Studio 2026 gives IntelliSense priority in longstanding Copilot completion clash. Microsoft is explicitly choosing deterministic IntelliSense over AI completions when they collide, prioritizing precision and trust over creative suggestions, especially in enterprise code bases where correctness wins. Finally, stop sprinkling magic strings through your configuration code. A code-heavy VS Live blog post by Benjamin Day. He explains a classic maintainability warning with modern stakes. Configuration sprawl plus AI-generated snippets is a recipe for fragile systems. Centralize keys, strongly type what you can, and make config changes auditable instead of accidental. Stay tuned for next week's news recap, and thanks for watching.